Ultimate Homemade Herbal Cough Syrup. Whatever time of the year, we can be struck down by coughs, colds, congestion and sniffles. This video provides the recipe to a remedy that I believe is the best homemade herbal cough syrup ever. It is a perfect natural home remedy, which can be used by all of the family. Firstly, we look at the best herbs to choose from when making the cough syrup. Please remember this list is not exhaustive, so feel free to add to it, and use other herbs if you prefer. The herbs included in our list can be divided into two types. Those that are best for a dry cough, and those best to treat a wet cough. And, of course, those that can be used for both. Then you will find the cough syrup recipe. It is wonderful, extremely effective and very easy to make. You can mix and match the herbal blends to suit your needs. Simply choose the herbs that are best for your symptoms each time you use the herbal cough syrup. Best herbs to use. Anise seed. Naturally warm and deliciously spicy. Anise seed is an excellent choice for the relief of dry coughs. It is also an excellent remedy to aid breaking down difficult to release phlegm. Spasmodic coughs, dry and raspy, will find relief with anise seed. Cinnamon stick. Cinnamon is a wonderfully warming herb. It helps with our circulation, relieves congestion, and boosts immunity. This makes it an ideal addition to our homemade herbal cough syrup. Perfect for both dry and wet coughs. Elecampane root. Elecampane root is a natural expectorant. Therefore it is a perfect remedy for wet phlegmy coughs. It also helps greatly for coughs which develop a telltale thick yellow or green mucus. Elecampane root is perfect for bronchial and sinus infection. Garlic. For centuries, garlic has been used as a treatment for the symptoms of cold and flu. This is largely due to it being a natural and very powerful antibiotic. Garlic helps boost your immune system, and is both a drying herb and an expectorant. This means it is an excellent choice for wet coughs that are producing a lot of phlegm. Ginger root. Ginger is a warming herb that has been clinically proven to reduce inflammation, increase circulation, boost your immunity and relieve coughs and sore throats. Ginger is, in my opinion, a must-be included ingredient in every homemade herbal cough syrup you make. Hyssop. Hyssop is a wonderful addition to your cough syrup. Hyssop properties enable both cooling and moistening. This makes it an awesome herb for dry tickly coughs. It is also a great choice of herb if you are suffering from a painful sore throat. Licorice root. Licorice root is excellent for soothing inflammation and brings relief to all types of cough. Its properties make it perfect for dry, irritated throats. It is also a natural expectorant, which helps clear wet phlegm coughs. Licorice root is a great addition to your syrup as it has natural sweetness which can help mask other bitter herbal flavors. Marshmallow root. Marshmallow root is mucilaginous and has powerful anti-inflammatory properties. This makes marshmallow root ideal for dry, inflamed throats. Marshmallow root is a wonderful herb for soothing sore throats, and easing dry, irritating coughs. Mullein leaf. Mullein leaf is a terrific herb as it is an antispasmodic and an expectorant. This makes it a great choice for wet coughs and spasmodic coughs. Mullein leaf is very effective for clearing infection, and reducing pain. Onion. While it may sound odd, the humble onion is one of the best natural ingredients for treating cold and flu symptoms. It has been used for centuries as a purifier and to kill germs when family members are ill. It has also been used to clear ear infections. Onion is a terrific antibacterial, an expectorant, and an anti-inflammatory. This makes it a wonderful ingredient for your homemade herbal cough syrup. Thyme leaf. Thyme is a very powerful natural disinfectant and an antiseptic. This makes it ideal to help fight off colds and infection. Thyme leaf is an excellent addition for syrups to clear all sorts of coughs, but it is especially effective for treating dry coughs. Slippery elm bark. This is another great herb with mucilaginous properties. The slippery elm is an excellent ingredient and can be used to treat all types of cough. It is an amazing aid and helps to soothe inflamed membranes. Red clover blossom. This is another common herb which has been used for centuries, as a cleanser and a natural immunity booster. Red clover is used for treating bronchitis, and other upper respiratory infections. It is a warming herb which helps relieve chest congestion. Great for both dry and wet cough. Chamomile flowers. Chamomile is a well-known herb and used in many natural remedies. It is naturally soothing, and has anti-inflammatory properties. This makes it an excellent ingredient for the treatment of all kinds of coughs. Chamomile has natural calming properties, so will help you to rest and sleep better while you recover from illness. The recipe. Ingredients: 4 cups filtered water. Distilled water will ensure full lifespan. 1/3 cup dried licorice root. 1/3 cup dried wild cherry bark. 1/3 cup mullein leaf. 2 tablespoons broken cinnamon stick. Approximately 1 stick. 2 tablespoons freshly chopped ginger root. 1 cup raw natural honey. 1/3 cup lemon juice, freshly squeezed. Directions: add the water and herbs to a saucepan and bring to the boil. Reduce the heat and gently simmer for 20 minutes. After 20 minutes, remove from the heat and strain the herbs through a sieve or cheesecloth. Make sure you squeeze the herbs to ensure you get the maximum herbal goodness from them. Add the raw unfiltered honey and freshly squeezed lemon juice to the herbal liquid and stir. Allow the mixture to cool. Then add to a sterile and airtight container. The mixture will keep in the fridge for 4 to 6 weeks. Take 1/2 to 1 teaspoon every half hour or as needed. The mixture is safe for children 12 months or older. I hope you enjoy the healing goodness of this herbal cough syrup. For more natural remedies, go to healthynature.com.